Okay, it's freezing to death, Fahrenheit, and already dead Celsius, cold as hail. So I'm out here on my property. There's my first coop I built. There's the camper coop, and there's my little shed coop. I wanted to show the snow. So I'm in a rut. I had the gator stuck over there. I had to go get my truck to pull it out. The truck was terrible. It did better than the gator, apparently. It's so, there's weight, but there's too. Big tires do terrible in this kind of weather. Anyways, so I'm standing in a rut right now. And this right here, that's how deep. It's right there. One cut, no take, no, one take, no cuts. That's how deep the snow is right there where I stepped. That is where, oh, my finger's freezing. That is where the gator drove across. You can see the rut in the middle where differential was. Now I'm out here walking, and if I just push my foot through the snow, you can see it is like almost 8 feet deep. It's really deep, and this is what it looks like. I know it is really hard to get an idea. I'll try to see if I can no, it just screws up the flash. It's really hard to get an idea what it looks like, but it is just a miserable pile. That probably doesn't look very deep right there, but it's probably close to 6 inches deep. That's the rut that I drove the gator through when I got it out. Here's my toolbox. That's the toolbox. For reference, from my finger, 8 inches. Right there, pretty close to 8 inches. Like that, about 15 inches. But it's deep, y'all. It's been snowing all day. And getting eggs has been a nightmare. One of the door at the camper coop was snow everywhere. The door to the camper coop was the chicken door, that they walked through, was frozen shut, and I had to manipulate it to get it to go closed. So anyways, it's cold and it's snowing, and the truck saves the day. So there you go.